Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to install a 12 volt charge station in an R pod. This charge station has two USB charge ports plus one 12 volt cigarette lighter charge port. This charge station is powerful enough to charge an iPad. One of the USB charge ports is 1 amp and the second one is 2.1. Here you can see it's charging the iPad. Now I'm going to show you how to install the charge station. We're going to look for a empty circuit in the circuit board. This one is at the bottom. What we're going to do is insert a 5 amp fuse. This should be sufficient for this circuit. In order to get access to the wiring, we will remove 4 screws from the plywood in order to get inside the fuse box. Once the plywood has been removed, you will see wiring for the R pod. Some of the wiring will be 120 AC and some of the wiring will be DC. So here we'll run the negative terminal of the charge station to a negative terminal of the R pod. You can see this long silver strip here where all the negatives combine. We will then run the red wire into the fuse box. On this particular model, there's 2 empty fuse slots. We will insert the circuit into one of the empty fuse slots. I've chosen 5 amps, but you can choose a higher amperage if you like. Here I'll demonstrate that when the fuse is removed, the red indicator light goes on to indicate that the circuit's been broken. As you can see, the light on the charge station is also off. Now we will attempt to gain access to the circuit box by removing 2 screws and removing the cover. This will gain access to the back. It's always nice to have an assistant with a helping hand. Once both screws have been removed, just pull out the cover. And now you can see the empty circuits, the 2 empty circuits. The red wire is the one we will install. Once we install the red wire to the appropriate circuit, the next step is to install the cover back on and the 2 screws. Now that completes the tutorial on how to install a charge station on an R pod. Thank you very much.